Want to boost your daily routine without breaking the bank? These affordable Amazon wellness gadgets are designed to help you relax, recharge, and feel your best, all while keeping things simple and practical. From stress relief to better sleep, these viral finds are selling out fast. All the products are linked in the description below. Bad day? Let this little gadget work its magic on your head. With 84 soft silicone nodes and rotating massage heads, it gives your scalp a deep Shiatsu-style massage that boosts circulation and may even help with hair growth. It's cordless, waterproof, and easy to hold, so you can use it in the shower or while watching TV. The detachable heads make cleaning simple. Relaxation, stress relief, and scalp care all in one. Tired, aching feet don't stand a chance against this clever little roller. It combines soothing massage with an ice pack for instant cooling relief, perfect for plantar fasciitis or swollen, overworked feet. The silicone rollers target pressure points, improving circulation and easing tension in minutes. Quiet bearings keep it smooth and silent, so you can use it anytime without distraction. Why juggle a dozen tools when one can do it all? This 6-in-1 hot air styler dries, curls, straightens, and adds volume with ease. A high-speed motor blasts powerful airflow, cutting drying time while protecting your hair from heat damage. You get silky, frizz-free results with adjustable heat and speed settings tailored to your hair type. Complete with multiple attachments and a travel case, it's like bringing the salon home. Muscle aches don't have to slow you down. This pocket-sized massager uses gentle electronic pulses to relax tight muscles and ease pain without medication. With 6 modes and 10 intensity levels, you can adjust it to match your comfort and needs. The rechargeable battery powers up fast and keeps it ready for on-the-go relief. Stick on the pads, press start, and let the soothing therapy do the work. Clipping nails doesn't have to be tricky or stressful. This smart nail trimmer does the job safely with its hidden blade design, making it gentle enough for kids, seniors, and even babies. A built-in LED light helps you see clearly, while the whisper-quiet motor keeps the process calm and easy. 2 speed settings let you choose your pace, and nail scraps are collected inside for mess-free cleanup. Long day on your feet? Slip them into this Shiatsu foot massager and let the stress melt away. Rolling nodes and kneading pads work deep into pressure points, boosting circulation and easing soreness from the soles up to your calves. With multiple modes and speeds, you control just how intense the massage feels. Use the remote for hands-free adjustments while you relax. It's like having a personal spa under your desk or couch. Sore muscles don't stand a chance against this powerhouse massage gun. With 6 interchangeable heads, it tackles everything from stiff shoulders to tight calves. 9 modes and 9 intensity levels let you choose between a deep tissue workout or a gentle recovery session. The ultra-quiet motor keeps things relaxing, while the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges. Safety on the water doesn't have to feel bulky. This inflatable belt pack stays slim and lightweight around your waist until you need it. A quick pull on the handle inflates it instantly, giving you reliable buoyancy approved by the US Coast Guard. There's even a backup oral inflation option for extra security. Comfortable, compact, and easy to wear. It's perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, or any day on the water. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Meet the toothbrush that takes daily brushing to the next level. The Life and Wave combines wide 60-degree oscillations with 66,000 vibrations per minute for an ultra-deep clean that's still gentle on gums. 3 premium brush heads adapt to your needs, and smart app controls let you fine-tune your routine with thousands of possible settings. Melt away stiffness with this 4D Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager. Its 8 kneading nodes and soothing heat function work deep into tense muscles, easing pain in the neck, shoulders, back, waist, and even calves. The ergonomic design hugs your body for maximum comfort, while adjustable modes and intensity let you tailor each session. Aches, tension, or just feeling run down? This infrared heat lamp brings targeted relief right where you need it. The gentle red light boosts circulation, easing muscle pain, joint stiffness, and even cold symptoms without relying on medication. You can tilt it to focus on specific areas and set the timer for worry-free sessions. Safe, powerful, and easy to use, it turns at-home care into a soothing therapy routine. Heavy legs after a long day? These compression boots bring instant relief from your feet up to your thighs. Air chambers gently squeeze and release, improving circulation and melting away tension, while soothing heat adds extra comfort around the knees and calves. With multiple modes and intensities, you can choose anything from light relaxation to deep recovery. Stressful day? Let your scalp melt into relaxation with this cordless Shiatsu Massager. Its soft bristles knead in 360 degrees, mimicking the feeling of real hands while boosting circulation and easing tension. You can even load essential oils into the built-in chamber, so they're applied evenly while you massage. Fully waterproof, it works just as well in the shower as it does on the couch. Long day at work or hours in front of a screen? Slip on this head and eye massager and feel the tension fade. Gentle compression targets your temples, forehead, and the back of your head, while soothing heat eases tired eyes and melts away stress. You can adjust pressure, warmth, and even play calming sounds or your own music with Bluetooth. Your yoga mat just got an upgrade. This heated stretching mat massages while it works on your flexibility. It inflates and deflates in cycles to gently stretch your back, hips, and lumbar area, while soothing heat melts away tension. With multiple modes and adjustable intensity, you choose exactly how deep you want the relief. Fold it up when you're done, and your personal massage studio disappears in seconds. Who knew so much tech could fit on your finger? This smart ring keeps track of your steps, heart rate, sleep, and even your blood oxygen, all in real time. The tiny display shows your stats with just a tap, making it effortless to check on your health. It's waterproof, lightweight, and designed to feel like a regular ring. Wear it all day, charge it in its case, and you're set for days of tracking. Ancient therapy just got a modern upgrade. This smart cupping massager combines suction, soothing heat, vibration, and red light therapy all in one portable device. It helps loosen knots, ease soreness, and boost circulation right where you need it. Use it on your back, arms, or legs for instant relief you can feel. Lightweight and rechargeable. It's like bringing the spa to your home or anywhere you go. Work and walk at the same time? Absolutely. This foldable walking pad slides right under your desk, letting you keep moving while you check emails or binge your favorite shows. It folds flat in seconds and tucks neatly under a bed or sofa when you're done. The quiet motor keeps things discreet, while the LED screen shows your steps, speed, and calories. Choose your favorite color and make fitness part of your day without even leaving the room. It's a walking stick and a chair. This clever design gives you support while hiking or walking, then flips open in seconds to become a sturdy seat when you need a break. Made from lightweight aluminum, it's easy to carry yet strong enough to handle the outdoors. The anti-slip rubber feet keep it steady on different surfaces. Perfect for camping, festivals, or just having a portable rest wherever you go. Think of this as a mini spa you can hold in your hand. This 4-in-1 beauty tool uses red light therapy and gentle massage to smooth wrinkles, lift skin, and brighten dark circles. With interchangeable heads, it works on your face, eyes, neck, and even body. Just apply your favorite cream, glide it over your skin, and let it do the rest. Portable and rechargeable, it keeps your glow going anywhere. Long days staring at screens? Give your eyes the break they deserve. This lightweight eye massager combines gentle air compression, soothing heat, and even built-in Bluetooth music to help you relax. It targets pressure points around your eyes to ease strain, dryness, and headaches. The soft, skin-friendly material makes it super comfortable, while the foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. Keeping track of your health doesn't have to be complicated. This wrist blood pressure monitor gives fast, accurate readings in seconds with just one button. The big LED display makes numbers easy to read, and there's even a voice broadcast option if you prefer to hear your results. It stores up to 240 readings for 2 users, so you can track progress over time. Rechargeable, portable, and simple. Perfect for at-home monitoring. Ever wondered what it feels like to float while getting a full-body massage? This zero-gravity recliner tilts you back into a weightless position, easing pressure on your spine while airbags and rollers work through your neck, back, arms, and legs. Add in soothing heat therapy, a deep foot massage, and even Bluetooth speakers, and you've got the ultimate relaxation station right in your living room. Forget guessing what's in store-bought masks. This gadget lets you create your own right at home. Just add fruits, veggies, or even tea, and watch it transform into a fresh facial mask in minutes. It's completely customizable, so you can make one to match your skin's needs. The best part? It firms up quickly, peels off easily, and turns skincare into a fun little ritual you'll actually look forward to.